So, good day, sir. I'm the Cadet Igot. So, I'm going to discuss or report the global media culture. So, global media culture explore the relationship between the media, culture, and globalization. The course approaches past and current challenges concerning international communication and explores and problematizes the power of media representation. And also, important of global media culture is the impact of cultural globalization into mutually interdependent ways. Firstly, the media provide an extensive transnational transmission of culture products, and, and secondly, they contribute to the information of communicative network and social structures. The rapidly growing supply of media products from international media cultures presents a challenge to exist local and national cultures. The sheer volume of the supply, as well as the vast technological infra- infrastructure and financial capital that push the supply forward, have a considerable impact on local patterns of cultural consumption and possibilities for sustaining an independent cultural production. So, global media culture create a continuous cultural exchange in which crucial aspects such as identity, nationality, religion, behavioral norms, and way of life are continuously questioned and challenged. This cultural encounters often involve the meeting of cultures with a different socio-economic base, typically a transnational and a commercial cultural industry. On one side, a national, public, publicly regulated cultural industry. On the other side, due to their due to their very structure, global media promote a structuring of culture and social communities, just as media, such as the press and letter, radio and TV, have been very important institutions for the formation of national communities. Global media global media support the creation of new communities. So the internet, for example, not only facilitates communication across the globe but also support the formation of new communities in which members can interact with each other. And also satellite TV and radio allow immigrants to be in close contractualization and differentiation. This duality will be a central feature in the analysis of cultural globalization. So, culture affects global media is influenced by culture as much as the programming of stories that they are enveloped within media cannot escape the cultural influence. So, culture provides media with source of for content. All contents are derived from culture, including entertainment, news, and advertisement. So, as my research, some sociologists today predict that the world is moving closer to a global culture void of cultural diversity. A fundamental means by which culture come to resemble each other is via the phenomenon of cultural diffusion or the spreading of standards across culture. Culture have always influenced each other through travel, trade, and even conquest. As populations today travel and settle around the globe, however, the rate of cultural diffusion is increasing dramatically. Example of social forces that are creating a global culture include electronic communications like telephones, email, fax machines, the mass media, and also the mass media, television, radio, and film. So the news media, the internet, international business, and banks, United Nations to the name only a few. Even phrases like global village seem to imply that the world is growing smaller every day. Still, while many aspects of culture have been globalized, local society and culture remain stable and in many instances are being affirmed with uti- utition, al- utition. Although people may relocate on the other side of the planet, they tend to remain faithful to their culture or culture of origin. So, next. So, how media affect culture and how culture affect media? So, first, media affect culture. The media affects people in varied ways. Some are positive uh, and other are negative. So, let's start the positive. So, positive aspects, the media show us constructive information. It can boost self-esteem, heighten interest levels in a particular subject, or encourage them. It is a getaway to place unknown, foreign, and magical with knowledge of what goes on around us without being physically present in that place. Like video games today are increasing active oriented and also making kids get off their behind and engage in games that require physical movement. So also media also help us engage with other people around the world and be more open and understanding towards other cultures. So the negative aspect is like kids are influenced easily by what they see on television, on the internet, like if not as extreme to on the lines of violence on elders or kids their age. So obesity is on the rise of kids who plant themselves in front of the television, not budging for hours or on end. The media can influence to do things that are not moral, like getting into substance abuse. So culture affect media. So culture affects media. Culture is the set of learned behaviors, beliefs, attitudes, and ideals that are characteristic of a particular society of population. Media is influenced by culture as much as the programming or stories that they are enveloped within. Media cannot escape the cultural influence. Culture provides media with sources for content. All contents are derived from culture, including entertainment, news, and advertisement. So, global media culture, by example, is the network. Sorry, network, because network serve as the fundamental of media. A network is global or international. So, ano siya some example of global media culture. So, advan so there are advantage and disadvantage of global media culture. Advantage is people can have common frames of reference across wide geographic areas and across social economic boundaries. This makes communication easier between groups, and that's always a big plus. A big plus. Advantage is people have easier access of information like nowadays, like uh, television, radio, internet, and in fact, they have access of other countries like satellite TV channels. With those all easy access in many regions, Western television shows become more popular. Global media made it easier for people to learn about other culture via TV shows or like nowadays high technology. So disadvantage of global media culture is homogeneity of thought and expectation stifles innovation. It's easier to spend time being possibly entertained than it is to learn a new skill or language or hobby or whatever. Easier access to this information and harder to tell the difference. So the disadvantage in global media culture as well is one thing like satellite TV channels. It is a good thing when people learn about different culture by watching satellite TV channels, but become problematic when one forget their own culture by watching foreign TV shows like nowadays. So for for more information clarification, I have a video about global media cultures and watch